What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is a simple concept, and it means promoting other people's products. And when you make a sale, you earn a commission. And why this business model is so powerful? Because you don't need to create a product, buy inventory, or ship anything. You just need to send traffic to your affiliate link. So if you learn how to promote, market, and drive traffic, you can promote any product. And what is really awesome is that we can create multiple income streams. And there is an important concept that I want to explain to you in this video. How to build an ecosystem of products so you can promote multiple affiliate offers. The first step is to create an opt-in page. That page is going to help you collect information, a name and an email. And this step is going to help you build your affiliate marketing business for the long term. Because once you have the email, you can promote multiple affiliate offers to the same person. The next step is to send people to your affiliate offer. And this is basically a high ticket product, which means that that product pays $500 or more in commission. Now, you need to know that people usually don't buy at the first interaction. That's why it's important to create an email sequence to do the follow-up. And inside of the emails, you need to put the link of your affiliate offer, and you can promote as well multiple products. For example, in the next emails, you can promote softwares for funnel building, email marketing, or SEO, search engine optimization. And you can create as many emails as you want in this system. You can have like 30, 40, or 50 emails with valuable information and for promoting products. And that's why building your own email list is so important. Let me show you. I have collected 1,104 emails. Now, let me show you a real example on how you can give value to your email list. This is my Get Response account. If I click on email marketing, you can see my newsletters. For example, I'm promoting my YouTube channel, and I have here a value story. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm sharing my own story and also recording YouTube videos to teach my email list on how to build an affiliate marketing business. Now, let me show you the products that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer. So I have a main core offer, which is a high ticket product. The name is Freedom Accelerator. And then I promote a funnel building software, which is ClickFunnels. And then I promote an email marketing software, which is Get Response. And I promote as well an SEO software for YouTube, search engine optimization. The name is TubeBuddy. And what I like about promoting software is that they pay you recurring commission. That means that if someone signs in through your affiliate link, you can make recurring payments every single month. And I have set up this 24/7 sales system, and I just need to focus on sending traffic to my sales funnel. And if you want to learn how to set up the same system I have to make commissions with high ticket affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.